In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to easily manage your incoming and outgoing e-signature transactions in one place. You can access the dashboard at any time from the Dashboard tab in the top navigation bar. You'll notice that the dashboard includes three main sections: Account Summary, My Transactions, and Recent Transactions, all updated in real time with the latest transaction activity data. The Account Summary graph provides a 30-day snapshot of all transactions for all users in the account. You can view the transactions that are in progress, completed, in draft mode, and canceled. By clicking the pie chart, you get access to the Account Summary report. Enter a date range to filter your transactions and get automatic visibility into the status of your transactions. The My Transactions section shows your transactions in the last 30 days. It tracks transactions that require your signature and ones that are in progress, completed, or about to expire. If you'd like to see just a snapshot of your last 10 transactions, you'll find them at the bottom in the Recent Transactions section. Simply click View All to retrieve your full transaction list. You can filter your activity by status and even view transactions in your inbox, drafts, archived, or trashed items. To prepare a new document for signing, just click the blue New Transaction button in the top right-hand corner. Visit our support center for more video tutorials about OneSpan Sign.